You can see how beauty this connectivity of zoological garden and botanical garden is how beauty. People are enjoying how beauty, how much green this scenario is. You can see many people are moving here and there and enjoying the beauties. The cloudy sky increases the beauties of these two gardens, botanical and zoological garden, increasing activity passing. You can see how how beautiful the scenario is. How much beautiful you can see. You can enjoy the scene. Wow, 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 wow! What a scene! What a scene! Big scene. How beauty! How much beauty the scenarios are. You can see. You can see how beauty is. This zoological garden is and botanical garden is. You can enjoy the botanical garden from here. Nice view from here. You can see. You can see tiger is eating. You can see there is a tiger, lion, lion. Yeah, yeah, I'm wrong. It's a lion. Oh, I just make mistake. Stay tuned and see the beauties. See the beauties of the zoological garden. Look and see how beautiful the scenery is. Stay connected and see the beauties of zoological and botanical gardens. See how beauty the scenario is. How beauty. Look and see. Look and see how beauty the scenario is.